Do you hear me? I'm talking to you. Across the water, across the deep blue ocean, under the open sky. Oh my, baby, I'm trying.
Boy, I hear you in my dreams. I feel you whisper across the sea. I keep you with me in my heart. You make it easier when life gets hard. Happy I'm in love with my best friend. Happy to have been where I have been. Happy to be coming home again. They don't know how long it takes waiting for a love like this. Every time we say goodbye, I wish we had one more kiss. I'll wait for you, I promise you I will.
Happy I'm in love with my best friend. Happy to have been where I have been. Happy to be coming home again. Happy we're in love in every way. Happy to have stayed where we have stayed. I'm happy to be coming home someday. And so I'm sailing through the sea to an island where we'll meet. You hear the music, feel the air. I'll put a flower in your hair.
Through the breezes, through the trees, move so pretty, you're all I see. As the world keeps spinning round, you hold me right here, right now. Happy I'm in love with my best friend. Happy to have been where I have been. Happy to be coming home